let us first connect our device. So let me just do a little bit. So my device is a little bit longer. So just a second. I just need to put it like this, and I need to connect my phone to the device via this USB cable. So just okay, as you can see, the device is ready now. So let me just unlock it, and here it is asking connect to aircraft and enter the camera view. So first we need to turn this on. So let us turn it on first. So it got turned on, you can hear the beep. So here it is checking for connectivity to the device. So it is asking to open DJI GoPro when this USB headset is connected. Let us go and turn on the USB device, this drone. So you need to press this once to turn on the device, once, and then second hold it. That's it. So as you can see, this LED will blink, and on front we have these two LEDs. So it will turn like this. It will make a sound like that. Okay. So see, the LED got turned to green. Connect to the aircraft. Click on the connect to aircraft. Okay. So wired connection. Connect wired connection. Connect the aircraft with the remote controller. Okay. And I'm just connecting. Okay. This is the setup. This is done. This is done. And
as you can see, it got connected. Connection is successful, and now you need to click on that new firmware is available. It is showing the new firmware is available, and we just need to click on the new firmware button, which is displayed on the screen. Just click that. So it is showing start upgrade, start updating, and some regarding the logs, what are the things which are new, what are the fixes they have done, and everything. And it is mentioning that after update is complete, we need to manually reboot the drone.
restart the aircraft and remote controller after the upgrade is complete. Please note that the firmware update may reset various main controller settings. So now you can see it turned to red. So it is asking to manually restart the aircraft. So to restart the aircraft, you just need to press the button once, and again. So it got turned off. So now just leave it for some time, and then again restart it. So I just turned it on. So as you can see, here it is showing go fly. So you can go to equipment, or you can click on go fly. So you can just click on go fly. So latest firmware, overall status, latest firmware, and opti, normal, flight mode, compass, normal, and you have different status. Maximum altitude you can select 120 meters, maximum flight distance, escape status, vision sensors, mode 2, remote control battery 69%, and button customization, camera setting function, and this one, and aircraft battery 79%. Okay, I need to remove the gimbal, this one. Just remove. So just closing this. Gimbal motor overloaded, showing some gimbal motor overloaded thing, and we have some settings to manual this thing, and here we have settings, histogram, video captions, overexposure, wording, grid, smart LED settings, anti-flicker, index unrestricted, internal storage location. We have internal storage of 600 GB, and this is camera shutter speed, photo mode, image ratio, how it should take 16:9. I will select 16:9 one. Okay, and image format you have JPEG plus RAW image. So this is the video settings, video 4K, and we have different types of settings, and I'll keep it at 1920 and 60 frames per second. I like that. So, and video format you have MOV and MP4, and white balance you have cloudy, sunny, incandescence, neon, and you can see neon. This is I keep it like this. So I'm just changing it to auto currently, so I'm not changing any settings. So this is how it will look like once everything is done. So you can click on settings. So main controller, data error. So what is this? I'm getting somewhere signal is blinking. So I just rebooted it. So once I rebooted it, everything is working fine, normal. All the alarms got deleted. So that's it, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see more about the remaining things in my next video. That's it, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.